2025 Hyundai Ioniq 9 electric SUV is expected to closely resemble the Hyundai 7 concept. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. Today I will share the 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 9 electric SUV appearance and design, powertrain and performance, release and availability, pricing expectations. So, let's enjoy. Anticipate similar lines and styling themes with practical changes to lights, mirrors, and interiors. Teaser art reveals a profile matching the 7, featuring a chunky D-pillar and parametric pixel lighting elements. We expect a productionized Ioniq 9 to have very similar overall lines and styling themes, but with some rational changes to things like lights, mirrors, and the interior. The Ioniq 9 will likely share its powertrain with the Kia EV9, riding on the eGMP platform. The Ioniq 9 will ride not the eGMP platform that's beneath all of the other Ioniqs you know and love, and we expect a single and dual motor powertrain and roughly 300 miles of estimated range. Expect also the fast charging we've come to expect from Hyundai Kia's 800-volt architecture. Dual motor models may reach up to 379 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque. Hyundai plans to unveil the Ioniq 9 in November 2024, likely at the Los Angeles Auto Show. The Korean market model will debut first, followed by US specifications. The Ioniq 9 is expected to hit the market as a 2025 model, offering a new electric option for consumers. The Kia EV9 starts around $55,000, but Hyundai's eGMP products typically cost less. The Ioniq 9 is expected to start just above $50,000, slightly undercutting the EV9. This pricing strategy aims to offer competitive value in the growing electric SUV market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up and share. See you next.